Buenos dias everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We just loaded up the truck and we're headed to Lake Elsinore. This is going to be my second race. I will be co-driving with Erica, her little baby yellow S2K. I'm really excited. Hank and Hugh will be joining us, so yeah, here we go.
So what's up, bro? Talk to me.
Tired.
Yeah.
We're at Lake Elsinore. This is my first time here. We got track over this way, registration over there. We got Hugh. He's putting on his tires. He's got a kind of new setup with his suspension. So we'll test it out today, see if it's good for tomorrow.
Right on. Hey Hugh. So what upgrades have you done since the last race?
All my broken parts.
Made it out, boys. What's going on, guys? How's everything? Got all kinds of different cars out here running.
S2K number 223 with a 49.790.
No, you're good. Oh, what? We have the jack? Who we got there? Let's go, guys. awesome run.
You're supposed to do your signature.
I gotta go on the camera.
How'd you like this track, Erica?
Better now that I didn't get lost.
You got lost the first time?
So embarrassing. That's what happens when you don't watch course.
Oh, well, now you know.
Yep, lesson learned.
All right, well, what time did you get for your first run?
Like a 97. Like, completely off the course.
All
I
good.
just got a 52.
Okay, look at you. That's a massive recovery.
We'll see.
All right, well, good luck out there. He's ready.
Back hurts.
Yeah? How was your first run?
Good shit.
What was your time?
97 something.
Oh, man. It's all right. I'm sure you're going to narrow it down. How's it going out there, dude?
It's good, my exhaust is too loud.
Really?
Yeah, going over the limits.
Did they flag you or anything?
He's just telling me, but I need to be careful for tomorrow.
Gotcha. Good luck, dude.
Yeah, thanks.
We missed it. Here comes Cyrus. You can see her, she's all the way down there.
I should have definitely walked the course. I should have definitely did a ride along, but I didn't. So the first time it was Erica, and she kind of went the wrong way. And the second time I did too. So yeah, but now I know the course. I just drove once. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we go the next round. I want you to drive with me.
Nice catch.
Oh, that was great.
How'd you do out there today so far?
So far down to a 49.3. Not quite good enough to beat my competitors today. But I think they're all on a little bit better tires than I am. So I'm not feeling too bad about it. Should be doable to maybe be competitive or beat them tomorrow when I'll be on better tires.
Right on.
We'll see. I'm trying to shoot for a high 48 right now. So hopefully we can get there.
All right, good luck. This one is my favorite, the Beast.
then he comes in with a 57.956.
By the way, guys, we just had to say how cool you are. You're how old? 16? 16 years old, doing autocross. Yeah, this is going on the tube, bro. This is going on the channel. Oh yeah. So you should be very proud.
I'm proud.
Man, awesome kid, man. Awesome kid. Doesn't even truly have his license yet, but yet out here killing it on autocross. Let's go, Gran Turismo in real life. All right, guys. Good luck, bro.
Thanks, man.
You got this.
Yeah, come out for a ride along if you want to.
All right, I'm gonna grab my helmet and I'll probably be out there in just a little bit.
All right, bro.
All right. Today was day number 2 of autocross. Tell us, how was your experience?
Okay, so today I definitely learned my lesson. I will walk the course before even driving it, and I will try to get in other rides with other people just to get a feel for the course as well. Matter of fact, don't even look at me. But I was embarrassed. Next time I will try to do better. Definitely, it was intense the first time Erica started doing it. The whole plan was for Erica and I to share, to switch off, alternate. So she was gonna start it. We both didn't walk the course. We both didn't do ride along. So she was gonna start off, and we're just gonna go slow to see the course. And the same thing with me. And then we're gonna switch, and I was just gonna go slow to figure the course out. This one, however, was super tight. And again, this is my second time driving stick. My second time on any course, really. So compared to the first one, we had a lot of space, and this is really tight. So it wasn't intimidating because I didn't know what I was getting myself into until I drove, and that was scary. And yeah.
So what was your favorite part about this entire thing?
It was fun. Like overall, after I guess all clubs, all stakes, everything really, it was just fun. It was a little scary, but I kind of like scary.
Anything that frustrated you?
What frustrated me? I wouldn't necessarily call it frustrating. It was more, I was just really uncomfortable. I'm still really uncomfortable switching from first gear to second gear, just switching gears really. And again, I think I just need more practice with the car. I feel like I don't always know what I'm doing. Sometimes I feel comfortable, sometimes I don't. And I think it's really like sometimes I just overthink. But I think I just need a stick shift car.
If you were to get a stick shift car of your choice, what would you get?
Probably something affordable, something that, yeah, affordable is the main thing. So, probably like a 1992 Miata. I love little Mazdas.
So after driving all these S2000s, you still want to get a Miata?
Don't get me wrong, I love the S2000, and it's nothing on those cars, nothing against Hondas. I own a Honda, but I just feel that for the purpose of just racing, wheels are going to be cheaper, everything's going to be cheaper, so I would benefit from something like that, unless of course you can donate some money so I could get an S2000. That'd be cool. No, but I could probably afford a Miata in comparison to a Honda, I'm not gonna lie, so that would be my choice. So
to all the other girls that are out there who are now interested in getting in racing, what advice would you give them?
Do it. Just do it. Just go for it. It's a little intimidating, but everybody's always welcoming and super nice, and it's like anything else in life. Just do it. Just go for it. Do it. Maybe you'll just be amazing at it. You know, I definitely am not, but maybe you will. And even if you're not, it's so much fun. It's fun. It's a different kind of fun. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for being on the channel today and giving us a little piece of your time. We appreciate it, and I know that the viewers appreciate it as well. So we look forward to seeing you back on the track here soon.
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you later.
Ciao.